Snacks for long trips in the car. When planning snacks for long car trips, it's essential to choose items that are convenient, non-perishable, and easy to eat while driving. Here are some snack ideas for your next road trip. 1. Trail mix. Create your own mix with a combination of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a few chocolate or yogurt-covered treats. 2. Granola bars. Choose granola bars that are low in added sugars and high in whole grains for a quick and satisfying snack in the car. 3. Fruit. Pack easily portable fruits like apples, bananas, grapes, or berries. Pre-cut or pre-peel them for convenience when you're traveling in the car. 4. Cheese sticks or cubes. Individually wrapped cheese sticks or pre-cut cheese cubes are a convenient source of protein. For this food you can mix with other foods, so that the snacks will taste even better. 5. Beef jerky or turkey jerky. Jerky is a protein-packed, non-perishable snack that requires no refrigeration. So making beef jerky an easy snack to eat in the car. 6. Crackers and cheese. Pack whole grain crackers with individually wrapped cheese or cheese spreads for a satisfying combination. 7. Nut butter packets. Single serving packets of almond butter, peanut butter, or other nut butters can be spread on crackers or eaten on their own. Cheese biscuits are quite popular among people when they are traveling. 8. Greek yogurt tubes. Freeze Greek yogurt tubes before the trip for a refreshing and protein-rich treat. In addition to Greek yogurt tubes, you can also buy other yogurts that you like. 9. Popcorn. Prepackaged popcorn is a light and crunchy snack that's easy to share. By choosing popcorn as a snack on the way in the car, your trip will certainly be more enjoyable with your family. 10. Dried fruit. Choose dried fruits like apricots, mangoes, or raisins for a sweet and portable option. And usually you can buy these dried fruit snacks at the gift center or buy online. 11. Dark chocolate. Bring a small supply of dark chocolate for a sweet treat that provides a quick energy boost. 12. Energy bars. Opt for nutrient-dense energy bars that contain a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. 13. Sealed individual packs. Many snacks, such as crackers, pretzels, and cookies, come in individual serving packs for convenience. 14. Hydration. Don't forget to bring water or other non-sugary beverages to stay hydrated throughout the journey. Remember to pack a mix of sweet and savory options to cater to different cravings. Additionally, consider any dietary restrictions or preferences when selecting snacks for the road trip. Well, that's some snacks for long trips in the car. And if there are other snacks that don't exist, then you can write them in the comments column. Okay, thanks for visiting the Z Cars News channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.